Good evening, Liberty families. Please stand as Joelle Handline leads us in the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you, Joelle. I am Mrs. Harris, proud principal of Liberty Magnet School, an international baccalaureate school committed to assisting all students in becoming compassionate, responsible, lifelong learners. It is always a pleasure to welcome you to a new school year here at Liberty Magnet School. The teachers and staff that work here are so blessed to be part of this school community. Many of us have worked in other schools. What we have here is rarely matched anywhere, and as teachers and as a principal, we know and appreciate it. School grades were released in July, and I am proud to report that Liberty is an A school. I am so proud of all of our students and teachers and their hard work and effort. As an IB school, it is our mission to instill our IB learner profile traits in all of our students. We want students to be risk takers who take reasonable risks and inquirers who ask questions. In addition to caring about what your children know and are able to do, we care deeply about the kind of people they are and will become. As a magnet school parent, you signed a commitment with your application, which must be followed in order to remain at a magnet school. I want to highlight 3 of the commitments. Each family is required to complete 10 volunteer hours to make arrangements for your child to be picked up in the event of an illness or disciplinary issue, and to attend 2 general PTA meetings. Tonight is our first PTA meeting of the year. We will not use a sign-in sheet for attendance tonight. Instead, each family will complete an exit ticket. Your child's teacher will give you instructions at the end of their classroom presentation. Please complete the exit ticket and give it to your child's teacher before you leave. Now, I'd like to bring in Mrs. St. Petery, who will share information regarding recorders, focus accounts, and music clubs.
Good evening, everybody. I'm going to first talk about recorders. Our 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade students are continuing to play recorder this school year. And if your child needs a recorder, please make sure you place an order. I have them available here at the school, and the musical room is going to be open this evening. Come up the step side entrance, I'll unlock the door, and you can come in and do your orders. If you have a recorder at home, please bring it in to school so I can label it and get it ready for your child. Also, recorders in cases that have been ordered won't be handed out until for 2 or 3 weeks, and they'll be handed out in class to your student as we need them. Music clubs. Music clubs have started. We have 2, the Eagle Sound and Eagle Ensemble. Eagle Sound is an audition group. The auditions are done and the students have started. If your student is still interested in a music club, there are some openings in Eagle Ensemble. If they're interested, please make sure, pick up a blue form like this. They're outside the music room door by the stairs. Fill it out and come to practice starting Tuesday. Lastly, here at Liberty Magnet, our music classroom has 1-to-1 computers. We're running a pilot program for the school district, which is really special. Because of the program, and all the things we do on the computer, you're actually able to follow along and watch your child's progress. And the easiest way for us to contact you and let you know what's going on and how to stay up with that would be to set up a focus account. If you go to the district website, www.indianriverschools.org, there's information right on the front page that says, please set up your focus account. Once you do that, then I'm going to send updates via those types of messages. Then we don't have to do emails and all kinds of crazy things. You'll also be connected with all of your students' teachers for years in Indian River Schools. So if you have any other questions, please feel free to contact me about focus accounts, like the front desk can help you if you have trouble setting up your account. And I hope to see some of you this evening.
Thank you, Mrs. St. Petery. This year, we will not have a school-wide showcase at Sebastian River High School. Instead, each grade level will have their own showcase showcase highlighting one of their units of inquiry. These will be held here in the evening at Liberty. We are excited about these special nights. More information will be coming home about your child showcase from their teacher. While I have your attention, I'd like to quickly review the procedures for parent drop-off and parent pickup in our car loop. Kindergarten and first grade car riders are dismissed at 3:10. Please, please, please have your car tag visible. If you do not have one, we have extras in the office. Parents are to remain in their vehicles at all times. If you need to get out of the car, then you may want to change your child's dismissal before 2:45 to walkers, because you have to stay in your car so we can keep the car line moving. If you have a kindergarten or a first grade student, you can move around the line at 3:10 when you are directed by a Liberty staff member. Please do not block the lanes. One of the lanes has to remain clear unless we are moving traffic. If you have an older sibling in a child that's in 2nd through 5th grade, you must wait in the right lane. We also ask that you pull forward as far as you can when it's your turn to move forward. And finally, we are looking for parents to serve on our school advisory committee. Our first meeting will be held on Monday, August 26th at 3:45 in the Inquiry Center. The purpose of SAC is to assist with the development and monitoring of the school improvement plan. SAC also receives funds to be used to support the goals and objectives of the school improvement plan. Please see me at the front desk if you are interested. A school cannot do our job effectively without parent support. I have the good fortune of working with our PTA president, Mrs. Ashley Flood.
Thank you, Mrs. Harris. Good evening, Liberty, and welcome to our first general meeting of the 2019-2020 school year. I call this meeting to order at 6:16. I am your PTA president, Ashley Flood. I would like to introduce our PTA board members for this year. Vice President, Kaylin Whittington. Treasurer, David Reisinger. And Secretary, Tara Hesberger. Thank you. PTA's mission is to make every child's potential a reality by engaging and empowering families and communities to advocate for all children. Every child, one voice. PTA values are commitment, diversity, respect, and accountability. Who can join PTA, you ask? Any parent, grandparent, aunt, uncle, and community members. The benefits of being a PTA member are supporting your child and showing them education is important. You also receive an Indian River County Council discount card. You will have access to Florida PTA discounts as well as national PTA discounts. We also have a membership drive happening now. Outside the Spanish room is a globe on the wall where every teacher has an airplane showing your class's progress. Every class that has 100% membership by the end of the first 9 weeks will earn a snow cone party. Make sure to sign up for PTA today. Membership is $6. We take cash, checks, or credit cards. I want to say thank you to every member that joined last year. By joining PTA for the 2018-2019 school year, we were able to get the following awards from the Florida PTA. The Outstanding Volunteer Efforts, 100% Faculty Award, Grandparent Gold Award, Spotlight on Men Award, the Community Membership Award, the 100% Membership Award, and the 25% increase in membership. We actually increased our membership by 49%. Way to go, Eagles. Our fall fundraiser kicks off next Wednesday, the 28th, and runs for 2 weeks. All money is due to PTA by September 11th. We are using a new company this year for our fall fundraiser. Charleston Wrap is a great company out of Jacksonville. They have a lot of different products they offer. They also offer over 500 items that can be personalized. We have a display set up at our table near the rotunda if you would like to check out some of the products they have to offer. Another fundraiser we are doing this year is customized bricks that will be displayed in front of our school by the flagpole. We will be sending a flyer home very soon. I'm very happy to announce that we will be participating in the National PTA Reflections Program this year. This year's theme is Look Within. It is a program to help students explore the arts and express themselves. If you are interested in learning more about this program, please stop by the PTA table and speak with Miss Andrea. She is our Reflections Coordinator. PTA is looking for a few more Winners Walk Tall coaches for this year. Winners Walk Tall is our character building program. Coaches go into the classroom once a week for 15 to 20 minutes and talk about building our students' character. It is with great pleasure I get to announce that Liberty Magnet PTA was awarded the National PTA School of Excellence Award. National PTA School of Excellence is a recognition program that supports and celebrates partnerships between PTAs and schools to enrich the education experience and overall well-being for all students. This is the first time ever that Liberty Magnet School PTA has earned this award. Only 1,228 schools in the United States have ever earned this prestigious award. I personally want to thank our PTA board for all of their help and hard work. I also want to thank the amazing volunteers we have at our school. Without you, we wouldn't be able to do anything. You are the backbone to our association. You all are amazing. And now, to approve the 2019-2020 PTA budget. You will see the budget up on the screen. We have also provided copies of the budget to your classroom. I make a motion to approve the budget as written.
I second.
Do we have any objections? Teachers, please report any objections to your wing representatives. We will hold while we wait. We're waiting for 4 or 5.
You got your 2, 3 over there?
We have 2, 3. We're waiting on 4 or 5.
4, 5 clear.
If all in favor, say aye. Aye. Any opposed, nay? The budget is approved. I call this PTA meeting adjourned at 6:23.
Don't forget to stop by the kindergarten bake sale in the rotunda. And we want everyone to remember to soar like an eagle. Safety first, own your own behavior, always do your best, and respect yourself, others, and your world. Have a great evening.